Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. Today I'm going to show you how to do this super simple summery festival kind of look with faux freckles. I'm going to go in depth and show you exactly how I do my faux freckles. I know there's many different ways, so I will show you the way that I do them. Also, I'm going to be trying the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. I found it at Marshall's today. So I'm going to be trying that, and I will let you know at the end of the video my thoughts on it and how I feel about it. As you know, I've been on quite the quest to find a good powder foundation that I can just throw on and go out the door, especially with summer coming. I want something that I can just put on quick and go, so let's get started. do my fake freckles, I'm going to use the Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette. And I actually like to use, oh my god, I like to use the dark. I like to do some freckles dark and some freckles light. I just feel it gives it a more natural look. So I'm going to use the dark one here for a couple freckles, and then I'm going to go in and add a couple more freckles with the light brown. As you can see right now, they're very prominent. You can tell that it's like makeup dotted on your face. So in order to fix that and to make it look a little more natural, I take a sponge and I just dab it very lightly over the dots, like so. And just try to blend it very lightly in the skin. The only thing that you want to remember is you want to make sure to change, like flip your sponge around frequently to a cleaner side. Otherwise, as you can see, when it starts to pick up some of the dots, you're going to end up smearing it everywhere and it's just going to end up turning into a brown mess. So do try to make sure that you use a clean part of the sponge every time you move to a new section of your face. And just lightly blend them in until they don't look quite as harsh. If you find that they're too dark, you can go over them with a little bit of foundation or concealer just to lighten them up a bit. Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know a little bit about the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. I actually really like it. I'm surprised. This is actually the best powder foundation that I've ever tried, to be honest with you. The only thing I put on first was a little bit of moisturizer, and that's it, like just skin moisturizer. I didn't even put on primer or anything like that. It was super simple to put on with my flat kabuki brush. And yeah, I really like it. It didn't settle like into my pores. It covered my nose really well. The review I did on the Bella Pierre Cosmetics, I really liked their mineral foundation. However, it did break up and separate a little bit on my nose. However, this stuff is like, there's no breakup at all. It's absolutely fantastic. I'll see if I can get close up. As you can see, it's not separating on my nose or anything. It's not sinking into my pores. So yeah, this is actually the best powder foundation that I've ever tried, and I really, really like it. It is a little dark for me right now, but with summer coming, I can definitely use it in summer. I am still on my quest to find something quick to throw on in the summer over my tan, so this will be absolutely perfect. Yeah, I really, really like it. And I will definitely use it more. It was very easy to put on. It looks great. Again, with the Bella Pierre stuff, it stuck to my peach hairs a little bit, and I didn't really like that, and I had to end up going over with a blender. But this, all I used was my brush, and it worked very well. I got this one at Winners for, I think it was like $14.99. It said compared to $30. So, but I would actually go and pay $30 for this. So, never in my life have I ever actually thought that I would say that I would pay $30 for a foundation, because that's a lot. Like, I usually just go to the drugstore and get whatever, and that's good enough. But this stuff is actually very good, so I would actually go and pay $30 for it. I might actually go to Sephora and see if I can find a lighter color in it to match my skin. But yeah, I really liked it. I know there's a lot of controversy with her right now with the not vaccinating your kids and everything, and I'm not here for any of that drama or any of that. I'm just trying on makeup regardless of the person who makes it. For me, it's good makeup. It worked well, and it did what I wanted it to, and I would definitely buy it again. I would definitely continue to use this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, leave a like, subscribe, and again, as always, let me know in the comments section if there's anything else that you'd like to see or like to see me review, and I will do that. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!